Hello, lovelies, my loves. I just want to say happy holidays. My hair is red, and I'm not going to waste any time. We're going to get into 3 holiday looks with your hair that you can use using Christmas decor. We've got it here. I went to Joann's, I worked it out, and I'm gonna show you what you can do with it yourself. All right, let's go.
This look is for the grown, cute, festive, and sexy. Begin on stretched hair. I got festive this year and added some red hair wax and did a light twist out. Now grab your holiday decor. Today we'll begin with these small bows. The simplest thing to do is grab a chunk of the hair that falls at one of your temples and pin it up. Then add a bow to create some style, but that's way too easy. I think we could do more. To begin this festive updo, separate a section of your hair apart from the rest for bangs. The key to having an effortless look is to use your fingers instead of a comb. I prefer my bang to hang to one side. Gather the rest of your hair and smooth it up into a high ponytail. Leave your ends loose to create a high puff. Next, take a U-shaped straight pin and secure it to the holiday bow. Wrap the foil pieces meant to secure it to a tree or wreath around the hairpin. Then stick the decorated straight pin in front of your high puff. I like to put mine right above my bang and off to the opposite side of the hanging hair. If you'd like, you can add as many bows as you want. I think the additional bows create a more youthful look and would be perfect for a child or a teenager. If you prefer simplicity with an impact, get rid of all but one bow and add a second one above or below the original. Now this look is for the crafty person who's really good at tying bows. For this style, you need a thick, long piece of ribbon. I chose the color red. Cut the edges of the ribbon on a diagonal to make the ends of the bow neat. Give yourself at least double the length of one of your arms for the ribbon. Loop the ribbon around your neck so the 2 pieces hang in front of you. Then lift it up until the U shape gets to the hairline in the back of your head. Join the 2 ends to the front of your head and make a knot. At this point, you can tie the ends into a bow like you do your shoelaces. But I've got an alternative. Cut off 1/3 of the ribbon length, then use the shortest piece to repeat step 1. When making a knot, the end should be short enough to tie and tuck into the ribbon secured to your head. Then take the longest piece of ribbon and tie it into a bow. You can use a slender bottle or cylinder-shaped appliance to help. It might look a little something like this. Then you can pin the bow over the knot you created. If you're like me and you hate the knotted section of the bow, cut a small piece of ribbon and use it to cover the knot. Simply wrap the short piece of ribbon around the knot and pin or tape it to the bow. Then use a U-shaped straight pin to secure it directly over the knot from the tied ribbon. Then fluff your hair and go. If you're really good at tying bows, you can make this look really fabulous. Now what should we try next? Got it. Are you guys ready for this weird, wacky look? Yep, this one's going to be perfect for those offbeat holiday parties. You'll need some thin tinsel. Start at the nape of your neck and begin creating a French roll. Take the hair and horizontally pin it under itself, then pin it at the crease of the roll with U-shaped pins. Keep rolling and pinning until you get slightly past your crown area. The loose hair should end up gathered to the front and pushed to the right or left. Taking small sections, fold the hair back, roll, and pin. You should end up with a style that's a mix between a French roll and a pompadour. Smooth your edges with a pomade, butter, wax, or gel. Of course, this step is optional. I get the best results when using a softer brush and spraying a bit of wax to thin out the product. Now grab your tinsel. It should be the width of a skinny pipe cleaner or less. I've chose green to complement my red hair. Choose to begin in the front or back and slowly wrap your head in the tinsel, forming a spiral up your hair. The tinsel sticks naturally if you have kinky textured hair. Winning! This look seriously reminds me of something the Whoville characters would wear in that movie, The Grinch That Stole Christmas. This is definitely a great style to wear at one of those ugly Christmas sweater parties. Guaranteed you'd place at least first, second, or third just for the effort. The tinsel is incredibly easy to take down, but take your time because you don't want to rip your hair. And this is what it would look like if you decided to keep that side bang in the front. For this next style, you'll need thin rope-like tinsel. This next look is perfect for a child, a teenager, or someone who's okay with embracing their youthful side. Part your hair directly down the middle to create two large sections right above each ear. Take ouchless elastic hairbands and make two ponytails. And if you'd like, leave a side bang out that covers your forehead. Alright, pin those bangs back and out of the way. Take one loose end of the tinsel and tuck it under the elastic band to secure it. Wrap the rope a few times around the ponytail holder to conceal it, then wrap the tinsel down the shaft of the ponytail, making a spiral design. When you get 2/3 down the shaft, stop and cut the rope. Then take a U-shaped straight pin or bobby pin and secure the tinsel in place. Repeat the same process on the other side. Be careful when cutting the tinsel because you could accidentally cut your hair. I think this style looks best with the bang tucked away. If you want to add an extra layer of play, grab some pre-made holiday bows. Use the foil on the bows and wrap them around the ends of the ponytails where the rope ends. Now you've got a really cute, kid-friendly holiday look. I honestly feel like I look like a Raggedy Ann doll. If I had a daughter, I'd definitely do this. But we're adults, so let's get rid of the bows.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, my work here is done. I love you all. I hope you enjoyed. Which style was your favorite? Mine is number 1, which is why I put my hair up again. I'm gonna put these little green bows in there. I absolutely had so much fun doing this video. I love holidays. I love holiday content. I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a little fun. Share your ideas with me on Instagram at Latoya_Ebony, and I will reshare them on my stories, which I'm very, very active on, so follow me there, you guys. I love you. I'll see you in a few days. If you want to know how I got my hair red, right here. If you want more hairstyles, right here. And I'll see you around. Happy holidays. Mwah.